Hello, my name is Dianne Tchir. I am the author of 2 poetry books, The Rhythmic Cycle and Haiku Heiga, Tapestry of Life, as well as 3 children's books, Ants Invade the Classroom, Bear's Bath Time, and Baby's First Year. And I have an upcoming poetry book, Northern Phoenix. Please watch for it. I also have readings of my poetry on YouTube under Dianne Poetry. Today I'm here to talk about nature and poetry. Nature has been my muse since youth, and I've always considered nature the one to run to, if you will, to talk about everything and anything. So today I'm going to talk about her. For within her deep roots and flowing waters lies real truth, not a hybrid or placebo, but a language that reigns above all languages. For it is nature and the threads of poetry that are weaved in tune with seasonal changes. The cycles are rhythmic but not free of forces created by the most intelligent mammal on earth, human beings. Hurricanes, tsunamis, tornadoes, melting ices, and snow of the polar caps. Who or what has created these disasters? Oil flows through pipes that burst underground, on the ground, in the sea, poisoning the earth that all life depends upon. Many chemical spills go unannounced to the general public, and we have learned to adapt to most everything. Anything that comes to our tables is probably contaminated with soil, our soils, water, and air. Our foods grow and are stamped organic, and that makes everything okay. But still, the delicacy of nature's fine, feathery grasses and quivering leaves in the warm summer wind find my eyes and my nature and spirit wanting to celebrate this vision through poetry. I'd like to read you a poem from my upcoming volume, Northern Phoenix, and it's titled Defacement. Nature is indifferent to my presence, lost and suspended against the sky that blends with stars. The black virgin will find me. Tree shadows stretch across the eerie highway where feathers float in a flurry, filling the fall air. The world seems unholy, exiled from light. We covet small ponds that hold small sky, then gloat at the last winter's ice, a carved, jagged sculpture with perfect peak holes that float on the creek run from the plasma of human waste that alters the sculpture forever. Naked banks of pale straw reveal my festering garbage dump. Please watch for my next book and take time to live with nature. Thank you.